How to send a tweet to someone you are following. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a tweet through direct messages to someone you have been following or you are following on Twitter. Now, first open up the Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this where you'll be able to see all your For You tweets and your following person tweets right there on the screen. Now, to send a particular tweet to someone you are following, first what you will need to do is tap on the share icon just below the tweet that you can see at the bottom right side of your tweet, and here at the screen you can see the share icon. Tap on it and here you'll get various options, but at the top you can see the option send via direct messages. Now if you want, you can share it to WhatsApp, Instagram stories, Snap camera. You can see various options at the bottom of the screen, or you can just copy link. But here, if you want to send it to someone we are following, what you want to do is first tap on send via direct messages and you'll get a list of various persons here. Now you can search for person you are following. Now suppose I'm searching Tupipen Basnet here, and you can select it and you can send it. You can send it to multiple persons if you want, and you can see tweet shared notification popping up right here on the screen. So this way you can send a tweet to someone you are following. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.